Okay, so this is my first time trying this POV camera setup. Hopefully it's angled right so you guys can see the dash, steering wheel, shift knob. I'll do a little walk around first so you can see the car. So you can see what I'm driving today. Hopefully this is lined up correctly. Nice. Okay, let's go drive. Closed. Check this view again. Make sure it looks good. Okay. So today we are in my 1995 BMW M3. I'm gonna do a little POV drive. You know what? Maybe give you guys a couple revs before I leave the garage, huh? That's a Corsa catback exhaust, stock headers. Speed bumps are terrible. Man, I think I'm probably gonna scrape over this actually. Okay, we're good. Nice. So I'm going to take a pretty basic route, see if I can make this light. No scraping, nice. So if you guys know the area, you probably know where I'm at, but I'm gonna take probably one of my favorite roads to drive on in the Austin area. Hopefully this thing is mounted correctly. Let's check the view before we get on this. Okay, I think we're good. Okay, I think it's a 535 or something. on, guys. Nice, that Tesla's moving. Okay. I can stay in fourth, but it's fine. See if this 5 Series got it. Please don't do that. Jeez. Okay. This thing is still recording. Okay, I think we're good. This Nissan Leaf behind me is hauling ass. Chill out because there is now stoplights, well, that are on blind turns, so you guys might be able to hear my rear tires rubbing a little bit. I probably need to raise the rear suspension. The ST coilovers are pretty soft, not super high spring rates or anything. Okay. Nice. Gotta love the BMW community. All right, see if that's good enough for a clip for you guys.